Students, let's try to understand the difference between soap and detergent. Okay, so dear student, if you talk about soap, they are sodium or potassium salt of acid. Okay, fatty acid. They are sodium or potassium salt of fatty acid. What the detergent? They are the sodium potassium salt of sulfonic acid. They are the sulfonic acid and they are the fatty acid. They are the sodium potassium salt of sulfonic acid. Second point, they have RCOONA group. Okay, or you can say COONA group. They have SO3Na या SO4Na group. Okay, so that is soap is having COONA group, while detergent is having SO3Na and SO4Na group. Next, they do not work well with hard acetic acid saline water. They do not work well with hard acidic or saline water. Got it? So soap do not work with hard water or acidic water or saline water. Detergent, they work well with hard acidic and saline water. They are fully biodegradable. Soap is completely biodegradable, student. What about the detergent? Some detergent having the branched hydrocarbon chain are non-biodegradable. Next one, they do not work well with woolen garment. Okay, they do not work well with woolen garment. It means that is the soap do not work well with the woolen garments. They work well with the woolen garments. So detergent work with the woolen garment. They may cause irritation to skin. So soap can cause irritation to skin, and here is they do not cause irritation to skin. They are saying detergent or not causing irritation to skin. This point is not that much of good, student. You can skip this point because they soap wear they may cause irritation to skin. Okay, that is not that much of good. Okay, they may, but they cause here is now they take time to dissolve in water. They dissolve faster in water. So that is correct, student. Soap takes time to dissolve in water, but detergent powder easily dissolve. Example, sodium tartrate, sodium plumitate, sodium tartrate and sodium plumitate. And what about the examples of other is sodium lauryl sulfate is there, and sodium dodecyl benzene sulfonate. Sodium dodecyl benzene sulfate are the example of detergent, and sodium stearate is example of the soap. This is all about the difference between soap and detergent, student. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment, friend.